Hey y'all, this is part 6, I think. I don't know. I did primer and foundation. I did a little highlighting with underneath my eyes because I'm exhausted. I did my brows. I did my lips. What else did I do? Y'all, I've lost track. Maybe it's only part 5. Okay, I thought it was in part 6. Welcome to part 5. Welcome to my life. This is how every moment of my life goes. I'm gonna do some liquid eyeliner next. So this is our dip and draw, just black eyeliner. I'm gonna look at my mirror because it's a little bit easier, but hopefully that'll give you a better view of kind of how I do it also. One of the things I love about this dip and draw eyeliner is how tapered that point is, because it really helps to get like a precision line over your eye. So my jam is like right over the water line basically. I don't like a big thick line, so I love that it's just like an ultra fine point. So with liquid eyeliner, I always start at the inside corner of my eye and work outward. It's interesting because the last one I did, I was talking about my pencil, and I would start on the outside and work my way in. I just realized that. Interesting. So I'm gonna stop talking for a second so I don't screw it up. Oh, because that would be the perfect depiction of my life. So, see how super easy that was? Again, because this point is so ultra fine. It's called the precision dip and draw liner for a reason, because that's legit what it is. This one I always have to stretch out because I'm like going on the other side of my eye, so just bear with me. I feel like no matter what I do, I always blink on that eye too. Can y'all dig it? Like, do you do that too? Like, I try to close my eye and I always blink. All right, just went in and made the other one a little bit darker. So, super easy. That took literally, I mean, I've been talking for 3 minutes, but it took probably about 1 minute altogether. So, I'll see you in the next video.